So if you say no to this, and I say no problem, and I put it back in my pocket, in law, I just paid you $20, even though you didn't accept it. Because UCC 3-603 subsection B states that if you attempt a payment, so the word tender is also another interesting word. The word tender means to essentially offer without condition. That's what the word tender means. If I were to extend my arm and unconditionally say, this bottle cap is now yours. Now what happens is now it's your responsibility to accept that bottle cap, right? So the transaction isn't completed until you accept it. Definition of acceptance when it comes to negotiable instruments and finances is delivery.
So if I accept delivery on it,
if you accept,
good.
So if you accept delivery, then that's now a completed transaction, right? Now, let's say I offer you this negotiable instrument and you say, no, I don't accept Federal Reserve notes. Now, on the statutory side, you actually can't do that. That's the funny part. So if you say no to this, and I say no problem, and I put it back in my pocket, in law, I just paid you $20, even though you didn't accept it. So when you send in a promissory note to pay off a mortgage, they're going to say, we don't accept that kind of payment, which is literally the most illegal and insane thing. You could start putting people in prison for 25 years left and right. The funny thing about it is, as soon as you get that letter back, it says, we don't accept this kind of payment. That's all you need. You just got all the evidence that you need. It's now paid off. Because they can't, if UCC 3-603 subsection B states that if you deny me attempting to perform on the contract, then whatever amount that I attempted to give you in order to perform in that contract discharges off of the debt. So if I let's say I try to give you a promissory note for $287,000.
Yeah.
If you reject that as a payment we don't accept, that's all the evidence I need in court to now $287,000 must come off of my bill.
And why is that?